In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the birthday code on Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly use the birthday discount code that you might have received as an email from Nintendo, and I'm gonna talk about why you can't use it for every single item. So if you access the eShop directly on your console or you visit the Nintendo website, you will be able to browse through games, offers, and various different things that allow you to include discount codes during checkout. However, the thing about the birthday code that you might have received is that unfortunately it only works for a select list of games. So as you can see, if you go over to the Nintendo website, you can find this page, Happy Birthday from Nintendo. In checkout, redeem the code from the email you received to get 15% off any items below. So as you can see, sadly, it is only a list of select items. Most of these items aren't going to be games. They are going to be hardware like controllers, desk mats, travel cases, or plushies for the most part. I know a lot of people were hoping to get discounts on digital titles, games, expansions, but the way it works today is that you are only able to use the birthday code that you have received on these select items. Even though Nintendo might say on the email that it is eligible for any item that you might find on the store, that isn't true. It is only going to be available for this list of items available on Happy Birthday from Nintendo. So visit the website and you will be able to access this page here. Then you can browse through all of these items. Once you find something that satisfies you, you can proceed to checkout after adding the items to your cart and then select the option to redeem a code. You will be able to enter it here and the discount is going to be active. It is unfortunate that these are the only items that they have this offer available for, but you will have to proceed to checkout in the website by selecting any of these items and completing your purchase. Include the code and you will have your discount available. I hope I was able to help you on how to use birthday code on the Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.